Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely looking Range Rover Evoque. It's top of the range HSE. As you can see, it's got the lovely body styling kit around it. Front park distance control, finished in gleaming black. It's got upgraded alloy wheels. Paintwork is absolutely lovely. It's got rear privacy glass, rear park distance control. It does have a camera as well. You see the boot area is in fabulous condition. Not been knocked about. Really does look good. It's got the black back styling on it. Full leather interior with the white stitch piping. Full panoramic glass roof. Electric memory seats. Meridian Hi-Fi. Paddle shift on the gearbox. It's done 258 miles. Starts up lovely. And that comes up. Got climate control. 3-stage heated seats. Cruise control. Multifunction steering wheel. Bluetooth. Aux and a USB. Reverse camera. Let's go to menu. We've got DAB radio, satellite navigation. DJH will offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.